stands on golden sand and watches the ships that go sailing somewhere beyond the sea. He's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms that go sailing. It's far beyond the stars.